Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer money back to your bank from Digit. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's get into it. Start by opening the Digit app or logging into your online account. On the main screen, find your savings balance and tap on the withdraw or transfer button. Next, enter the amount that you want to move to your linked bank account. Make sure the amount is within your available Digit savings. Once you enter the amount, confirm the transaction. Digit will process the transfer and the money will appear in your bank account within 1 or 2 business days. If you need the funds faster, Digit can offer an instant transfer option for a small fee. Just check your app settings for more details. And that's how simple it is to transfer money from Digit to your bank. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Digit tutorials. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.